So we're traveling up our road here, and as you can see, it's going to be a while before there's anything going on from our place because we don't have power. So I'm looking probably at a couple of weeks before this gets all fixed up. They haven't even started. So I'll just give you a little ride up Cedar River Road here, which is the main road to our house, our only mode of getting in and out. We had a horrendous hurricane-like windstorm here. It felt like a freight train that wouldn't stop. It just got stronger and stronger and stronger. We lost maybe 5 acres of timber on our property. That's all tipped over. But that's good, firewood, I guess. But you gotta see this. Like I said, we're without power. I've tried to use generators and fried one computer already to do the power surges. And so now I'm going to town to buy a new generator. So needless to say, there will be no activity on my part as far as the forum is concerned until I get all these issues addressed. And if you have orders, we will get to them as soon as we have power and the saws can run again. You can see there's a little tree on the power line there.
Oh, crap.
Now we got to get through this. This was all done by my neighbors and myself just to get access to the main highway. But here comes the really beautiful part.
Oh my gosh.
One tree there gives me about an inch of clearance with this truck. If I go too far over, then I'm in the ditch. So let's see if we can make it this time. And here we go for the tight fit. There we go. We got through. One more and we're on the highway. Oh, he's not too bad.
He's big though. Holy crap.
And they're just sitting on the power lines. So I hope you guys enjoyed the drive to our house.
Come visit anytime.
Come visit anytime, yes.